Yes, Father, trust no man sin. Right about now, me just want to make all the ghetto youths, me know one thing. Sin, because me can't say me know everything, but I know enough. Trust no man sin, we have to make the youth them to stay away from drugs. Because you know some drugs are mash up the youth them. You understand, sin? Yeah, man, the reason why we have so many drugs in the ghetto, sin, it was way back in the 60s when the Babylon watched the youth arise in the ghetto. They said too much talent are going in the ghetto, so they injected drugs, sin, in the ghetto so that they will kill away the whole the talented youth from the soca players, the singers, sin. And then back in them time there when we have Bob Marley, Michael Jackson and the whole of them, sin. So their greatest intention, you know, is to mislead the mass and kill the ghetto youth. Kind of some man in the ghetto, that's where you find most of the talented youths. You see what I say? So I just want to make all the people not say all the ghetto youths especially that stay away from the bumbuck drugs and make do your own thing. You see what I say? So right about now flavor, go on with it.
Khalifa Danger, I represent for Zim Dancer. Look at him way, you see what I'm saying? Watch out now, lock the place and down the place and me, the girl them love. Can offer them what I can never know. Me have me slug, what take some bunny, bug, your mouth full of grudge. Yeah, I was Zim Dancer, I don't know a Khalifa represent, you know what I mean? I say Bob Marley. Oh, I see me. This is Jamaica.